Okay, and welcome to the KDP app. I've basically built a little extension, Chrome extension, and you can see it up here. It's in the top right corner. It's a little green extension, and it covers some basic things for KDP that you can search and look for. You've got ASN, BSR, revenue estimate, independent publishers, publication, categories, price, review counts. It's got a focus mode, is what we're in at the moment. And if we go across here, you can see it gives you a good reading for this particular Easy Mandela colouring book. I basically just built it so it gives me a rough idea what's selling, what's not selling, what are the niches are, and you can break it down. So you could just go back into here and you can just click whatever you want, on, off. Let me just show you. If you look towards the screen round here, and just highlight that for you, then you just come into here and you'll see them disappear. So if we go to independent publishers, that goes away. Price goes away, review count goes away. So it just shows you what things you can do. Then you can save them. You can rescore all, export. You can do bulk. Also gives you some colours, so you can click into there and just have a look at the colouring books. Quite a decent feature. Very niche, I know. But obviously, if you want to toggle it on and off, if you toggle that off, it takes you back to the screen. We do have a custom auto suggestion, so if you come in here, it gives you the keywords, as you can see up there. So we'll just go there. This will update in about 30 seconds. As you can see here, it's encrypting the top 10. So you have to wait for that to finish to give you a true count here. And once that's finished, you'll get there you go. So the count's just finished, and now it's got a good overall of 65, which is pretty decent. And then you've got the demand, 19 out of 35, competitors, 25 out of 30, pricing, indie, and all the good things. It's just a basic tool to stop paying $9–10 a month or pounds a month for one of these tools that says it's going to do this and help you. Just get a little Chrome one, does it for you, and job's a good one. If you are interested in buying it, it's on Gumroad. That's pretty much about it, really. Thanks for watching. Cheers.